If you haven't discovered the spider flower, it's definitely one that you need to add into your garden. This is an Oklahoma proven annual, and this particular one is Senorita Blanca. Now there's a couple of different cultivars or varieties that you can get, and depending on which one you get, they can range from anywhere from a 3-foot to a 6-foot height. They come in a range of colors from pinks to whites to purples, and what really sets the flower apart is the extra long stamens that they produce, giving them those kind of long spider leg looks to them. It adds a nice little frill to it. Also, the foliage has a palmate leaf to it. As you can see here, it kind of looks like the palm of your hand, which again adds a little texture to the plant itself. They're great for containers. You can use them as a thriller in a container, or you can use them kind of like what we've done here as a temporary hedge, because they are an annual, so they're going to die in the wintertime. You can also use them in mixed perennial beds, which add a nice little texture, or if you're looking for that cottage style look as well. You'll want to plant them in moist, well-drained soil and also in full sun. And usually you buy them as a small 4-inch container, and you're going to have a big plant in no time.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.